had probably 40 to 50 feet of our main sewer line. The bottom is rotted right out of it. Now it's dead center of our store, and we can't dig the middle of the store up. So when we reached out to Trenchless, they had a solution. Your slip lining process just seemed to be the most practical, economical way to do this. We can't dig the middle of the store up. So to slip line the current pipe just seemed like that's what we had to do.